Welcome to Java Beginner Tutorial. Installing Java. Before you can start programming in Java, you'll need to install the Java Development Kit, JDK, on your computer. You can download it from the Oracle website. Setting up your development environment. Once you've installed the JDK, you'll need to set up your development environment. There are many integrated development environments, IDEs, available for Java, including Eclipse, NetBeans, and IntelliJ IDEA. Creating your first Java program, open up your IDE and create a new Java project. Within the project, create a new Java class with a main method. This is where you'll write your code. Here's an example: Hello World program. Public class Hello World, public static void main, string, args, system.out.println, hello, world. Understanding the code, let's break down the Hello World program. The first line defines a class called Hello World. The second line defines a method called main, which is the entry point of the program. The third line uses the system.out.println method to print the string hello, world, to the console. Compiling and running your program. Once you've written your code, you'll need to compile it to turn it into executable bytecode. Most IDEs will do this automatically for you. To run your program, simply click the Run button in your IDE. You should see the message, Hello, World, printed to the console. Variables and data types. In Java, you can define variables to store data. There are several data types in Java, including int, for integers, double, for floating point numbers, boolean, for true/false values, and string, for text. Here's an example program that uses variables. Public class variables example: public static void main, string, args, int x equals 5, double y equals 3.14, boolean z equals true, string name equals Alice, system.out.println, x equals plus x, system.out.println, y equals plus y, system.out.println, z equals plus z, system.out.println, name equals plus name. Control structures. Java provides several control structures for making decisions and repeating code. The if statement allows you to execute code conditionally, while loops and for loops allow you to repeat code multiple times. Here's an example program that uses a for loop to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Public class for loop example: public static void main, string, args, for int I equals 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, system.out.println, I. Methods. Methods are blocks of code that perform a specific task. They allow you to organize your code into reusable chunks. Here's an example program that defines a method that calculates the factorial of a number. Public class factorial example: public static void main, string, args, int n equals 5, int result equals factorial, n, system.out.println, n plus equals plus result. Public static int factorial, int n, if n equals 0, return 1, else return n asterisk factorial, n, 1. Classes and objects. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which means that it allows you to define classes and create objects from those classes. Classes define the properties and behavior of objects, while objects represent specific instances of those classes. That's a brief overview of Java basics. Good luck with your Java programming.